It's January 1st, 2022. I'm Keith of the Forest. I'm here at NatureCures Natural Health Center, and I'd like to address the world with the global situation that our Mother Earth is facing. Time has come for change. Mother Earth has been ravished for years and centuries now by exploration and mining. The time has come where we need to go back and look at ways that were invented in the past by such great inventors like Nikola Tesla, with free energy and devices that create energy in motion without having to put polluting inputs and carbon back into the air. We have reached a critical state with our planet. Humankind has been in an institution, let's say. We've been in school and we've been failing. In fact, we've failed. Mother Earth is expelling us from this school. It's time to go back to kindergarten now. This can all begin when we first heal ourselves. We can heal ourselves. We can go within our own bodies, our souls, and our minds, and we can heal ourselves. Once we've accomplished this and we've done some healing and we've opened up our pineal gland and our consciousness awakens, we can then take a real good look at where we're at, individually and as a whole, on planet Earth. Mother Earth has had its limit of human activity and exploration and mining. We need to put a halt on all mining and exploration until we do a tally and let's say a census of our world's resources and where we're at with them. Once we've done this assessment, we can then categorize what's most important and where we're going to go and how we're going to do this without harming Mother Earth. I urge you all to go within and have a look and go deep down and see how you feel with where we're at this day on this planet. I urge you all to see that we have been doing wrong and that there has been a group of psychopathic, elite, richer people, monsters, have been ravishing this earth and trying to turn us all into puppets and slaves. Well folks, I'd rather be a free man in my grave than be a puppet or a slave. It's time to wake up to our sovereignty. It's time to wake up to who we are and our natural rights as humans to make choices for ourselves. We have to throw the masks away, for there is enough masks in the ocean now to choke out every fish, and we will have no fish to eat or to sustain ourselves on Mother Earth. So, time to throw the mask away, give each other a big hug, and let's obtain herd immunity from all these viruses that are going around making people sick. It's time to take a look at who and what has been administering these drugs and these pharmaceuticals to mankind to make us such a sick and ill population. We are dying just like the planet is. We cannot just keep living this life that is killing us all and our planet. It's time to wake up, have a great awakening, not a great reset. It's time for our great awakening, and we need to stop consuming so much, throw in the towel a little bit. Let's everybody tighten our belts. Forest gardens, lawn gardens, backroom gardens. Let's grow our own food. Let's make clean, free energy like Nikola Tesla invented and was willing to provide for us. The time has come. We must make change. Our lives and the planet of Mother Earth's life depends on us, the human race, to change our ways. It's time for healing, everyone. It's time for healing. Thank you, and may everybody have a wonderful, joyous, and blissful 2022. From the forest, thank you, and may God be with you.